Hi, this is RockinRobin. Welcome. You're on RockinRobin's Garage Sale Finds, the YouTube channel that helps resellers make more money. Well, today I want to give you some brands that are selling well. People say, well, what should I sell? Well, a lot of these are clothing and purses, but they are things that are selling, brands. If you're selling Poshmark, these are terrific. If you sell clothes on eBay or clothes on Mercari, they're good as well. Wherever you sell clothes, these are items you're going to want to look for, and you can make yourself some extra money. So if this is your first time here, we sell on eBay. We've been selling on eBay for over 20 years. We're getting frustrated with it, but what can we do? We sell on Mercari. We're liking Mercari. We're selling on Poshmark. We're doing great on Poshmark, so that's terrific. And we sell also on Facebook Marketplace and at the flea market. So you stay with us. We're going to come back, and I'm going to give you a whole bunch of names, maybe 10 or 11. And you're going to want to look for these brands. You stay with us. So, welcome back. You want to know what brands you should be looking for when you go out and you thrift or you go garage selling. You're looking for inventory. You're looking for inventory, and most of these are clothes. Now, the first one I want to tell you is a handbag. It's a Maya handbag. Now, maybe 2 or 3 years ago, I went to an auction and they were selling these Maya handbags, and they had the original tags. They were like $350 a piece. And I was able to get 5 of them for $250. There were several lots. Most of them went for over $300. I was just able to get that. Now, I sold them, the 5 of them, for over $100 each, most of them. And the last 2 recently sold on Poshmark. But they took a long time. But now they're selling, and somebody bought both of mine. Now, one of the reasons is because it's hot right now. If you don't know Maya bags, they look like they're resin or glass. They're a breakable material, and they're really original, really very cute. And so look for Maya, M-A-Y-A, purses, because those are worth a lot of money. You're going to get $100 each on them. You keep looking. Number 2, the second thing I want to tell you is people are talking about J. Crew. Now, I always think of J. Crew as a typical brand that's everyday items, but people like that product and they're buying it. Now, I don't know how much the profit is, but I know it's selling really, really well. And of course, Nike. When it comes to sneakers, there's nothing better than Nike. You want to get ones that are in good shape. Of course, Air Jordans, they got to be original. Things like that that you need to know before you buy. You don't want to buy a crappy, ordinary piece of Nike that you can get for $10, $20 anywhere. You want to get the good ones. So always bring your cell phone with you. Look them up, because if you find the right Nikes, you're going to get money, because Nikes are always hot, and they're really hot right now. Now, next thing I want to tell you is BILLABONG. You know how many BILLABONG items I have been selling recently? I've been finding them. And I always thought BILLABONG was an old item, something that, you know, maybe in the 80s was big, but they're buying. So look for BILLABONG. You probably will find a lot, and you'll probably be able to find it fairly cheap. And you're getting $25 maybe around for it. You know, profit's profit. 25 is not bad for an item you might find for $1 somewhere. Keep your eyes out for BILLABONG. Next, I want to tell you Pendleton. People are buying these Pendleton striped shirts and sweaters and different types of Pendleton. Even though it's getting warmer, the colder stuff is still selling. And if you don't sell it right now, you will in the future. So keep that name in mind. Now, I also want to tell you, here's another bag. Victoria's Secret. It could be a bag. I always think of this as bags, but you know, they sell Victoria's Secret clothes all the time. Now, I've never had any success with Victoria's Secret. Whether it was, I've had Victoria's Secret pink, and I've had shirts, and I've had camisoles, and I've had purses. I don't seem to have a lot of luck with it. I don't know why, but it is hot right now, and if you have some, you might want to think about putting it up, or you might want to keep your eyes open for it. The next one I'm going to tell you is POLO Ralph Lauren. Now, I've had a pair of pants that is POLO Ralph Lauren white for, God, I want to say 2 or 3 years. And all the time I say, I'm going to take this offline. But all the time when I look at it, it's in such good condition. It seems like it's such quality, and I'm not asking a lot. And I say, why aren't people buying this? Well, I don't know. but Polo Ralph Lauren is selling out there. I went out and researched all these and looked to see what's selling on Poshmark and all these different formats, and from other people, not just me. I went searching. All right, there's some other brands I want to tell you. STONY CLOVER handbags. I've never heard of these. I'm keeping my eyes out. I saw something, it was Stone something, I got all excited, but it wasn't STONY CLOVER. So land bags, I think they're called. I don't know if they're handbags or land bags, but they are selling. So keep your eyes out on the name STONY CLOVER. Good money in that one. And let's see, a couple others. Chic Nation. I don't know anything about Chic Nation, so not something I would buy, but now it's in my head. Coach, you know Coach bags always sell, but you gotta be fussy. I've been finding a lot of Coach bags lately, but they've either been out of style or they've been dirty, something not right with them, and there's a lot of fakes out there. I'm afraid to sell a lot of Coach. I don't sell a lot of Coach bags, but I might sell a Coach wallet or a Coach little change purse, something Coach that I feel more comfortable with, but a lot of the bags, I don't know. I've been seeing a lot in the stores lately, so I don't know, but they're still selling. If you have the right item, if you know your Coach, they're going to do you good. And the last one I've been told is called something called Express. Now, I don't know what that is. E-X-P-R-E-S-S, Express. But I'm going to keep my eyes open for all of those names that I gave you. I think I gave you 12 names that are selling right now and that are hot, that you have to look for. Hey, if you like the things we talk about, please remember to subscribe to our channel. We really appreciate that. And next, give us a big thumbs up. And lastly, hit the bell. Those things are important to us. So what brands have you been selling? I'm curious. I got these names. I researched Poshmark. I looked at what they said was hot. I looked at what eBay said was hot. I looked at Mercari. I looked at sales. I looked at all kinds of stuff to find what was selling a lot of. And those were the names that I came up with. But maybe you have another one. You know, you might want to add it to the list. You might not. You might say, oh, I don't want anybody to know about it. That's up to you. But it's always good to help other people, and that's my goal all the time. Well, I hope you learned something here today. I hope we helped you. I hope this helps you to make some more money. What I want you to do right now, of course, is go out there, find something good, put it up on eBay, put it up on Mercari. If you haven't tried Poshmark, try Poshmark. Free to put it up. It's not going to hurt. And then you go get it sold and make yourself some money. See you soon.